There you go.
I appreciate that, man.
You got it, boss. Nice day today, huh?
Yeah, actually it is.
Oh, I can't litter.
I got you.
I'll take it.
Okay.
Thank you, Brosy.
All right, have a good day, bro.
You too, boss. Going down, some street art there. Wow, that was close. Socks, socks. You guys want some socks? Socks. You got it, boss. Here you go, bro. You got the gold shoe. One more for you.
I'll hand it to somebody else.
All right, here. Go ahead, take them all.
I'll pass them on.
Thank you, homie. Nice socks. Nice shoe. Stay gold, my brother.
Silence is going.
All right, I'll give some more out down here. Socks. You good? Socks. Socks, anyone? Socks, socks. Socks. Two pair. You got it, boss. Socks, socks. Anyone, anyone? Some socks, anyone? Good tunes in there. Socks, socks, socks. You want some socks? Hello. Fresh socks? Why not, right? You got it, boss. Happy New Year. Could be a good one. We're gonna make it that way. Never give up. Amen. Keep it herbal. Support your homies. Do what you can. Give what you can. Trust the universe. Take care of each other. Peace of love. Never give up. Keep it herbal. Support your local taco trucks. This is a good one. What's up, boss? Got some socks? This is the place to be, huh? Let's pop it off. Never too early for some tacos. You go, boss. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, come here. Cabeza Pastor burrito. Double meat? Oh, two meat? Oh, nap time. Enjoy, bros. Enjoy. It's the crew. Cabeza Pastor, that's the duo. What's up, homie? You got some socks? Pittsburgh, you got the shirt on. I think they're playing tonight.
Oh, no shit.
Playoffs are just starting this weekend. See you, brosy. Keep it herbal. One love. Shouts to Scottie Pippen Smoke Shop. That's the spot. Brazil Smoke Shop. We get the clears, we get the hemp wraps. Keep it herbal. Yay, yay.